This humble root isn't just food. It's a superfood, a natural medicine, and even a soil saver. Discover why Daikon radish is taking the world by storm. Daikon radish, a versatile root vegetable, has been cultivated and consumed for centuries across various cultures, particularly in East Asia. With its mild, slightly peppery flavor and crisp texture, daikon serves as a staple ingredient in a wide range of dishes, from fresh salads to slow-cooked stews. Its adaptability allows it to be eaten raw, pickled, cooked, or even dried, making it an essential part of many culinary traditions. Beyond its role in food, daikon also holds medicinal value, often used in natural remedies for digestion, detoxification, and overall health. As people continue to explore the potential of this humble root, its uses extend far beyond the kitchen, reaching into agriculture, skincare, and sustainable practices. In traditional Asian cuisine, daikon radish plays a key role in enhancing flavors and textures. In Japanese cuisine, it is frequently grated and served as a garnish for tempura, where its mild spice cuts through the richness of deep-fried foods. In Chinese cooking, it is commonly braised with meats, absorbing the savory essence of slow-cooked broths and seasonings. Korean cuisine features daikon in various forms, most notably in kimchi, where it undergoes fermentation to develop its signature tangy, umami-packed taste. Indian cuisine also incorporates daikon, often using it in stuffed parathas, curries, and pickles. In Vietnamese pho, thin slices of daikon add a subtle sweetness to the broth. Each culture has found unique ways to harness the vegetable's versatility, demonstrating its universal appeal. Beyond its culinary applications, daikon radish is deeply valued for its medicinal benefits. Traditional Chinese medicine has long used daikon as a digestive aid, believing it helps break down fatty foods and alleviate bloating. Its natural enzymes assist in the digestion of starches and proteins, making it a useful addition to heavy meals. Daikon is also rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which support immune health and reduce inflammation. It contains compounds that promote detoxification, assisting the liver and kidneys in flushing out toxins. Some cultures use daikon juice as a remedy for colds, sore throats, and respiratory congestion, believing that its cooling properties help expel excess mucus. With its high water content and diuretic nature, daikon is often included in diets aimed at reducing water retention and promoting weight loss. These medicinal properties make it more than just a food. It is a natural remedy passed down through generations. Daikon radish also plays a role in sustainable agriculture and environmental conservation. Its deep taproot structure helps break up compacted soil, making it an excellent cover crop for farmers seeking to improve soil health. When planted in rotation with other crops, daikon aids in nutrient cycling, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. As it decomposes, it enriches the soil, creating a healthier growing environment for future plants. In addition to improving soil structure, daikon's ability to suppress weeds makes it a valuable tool in organic farming. Some farmers even use daikon radish as a natural biofumigant, as it releases compounds that help suppress soil-borne pests and diseases. These agricultural benefits highlight daikon's potential beyond human consumption, proving its worth in regenerative farming practices. The versatility of daikon radish continues to inspire new uses, from skincare to innovative culinary techniques. In the beauty industry, Daikon seed oil has gained attention for its lightweight, moisturizing properties, making it a natural alternative to synthetic ingredients in skincare products. Researchers are also exploring Daikon's potential in plant-based food innovations, using it to create low-carb noodles, vegan seafood alternatives, and gluten-free baking ingredients. As sustainability becomes a global priority, Daikon's role in reducing food waste is also gaining recognition, with chefs and home cooks utilizing the entire plant, roots, leaves, and stems, in creative ways. Whether consumed for its nutritional benefits, used in sustainable farming, or incorporated into skincare, Daikon Radish continues to prove that its usefulness extends far beyond the plate, making it a valuable resource for both tradition and innovation. From your plate to the farm and even skincare, Daikon Radish proves its power in more ways than one. How will you use it next?